The interactive virtual character Sgt Blackwell integration showcases state-of-the-art virtual human and graphics technology developed at the University of Southern California's Institute for Creative Technologies. Such virtual humans can act as training mentors or can be adapted to act as friendly or foe virtual characters within training scenarios or presentations. The emphasis of this technology integration is on the character's interaction capabilities. Using USC's unique natural language processing technology, participants are able to speak with the character. The virtual Sgt Blackwell responds within the context of being questioned or interviewed. Techniques developed by the ICT Animation Lab drive the character's voice-synchronized lip movements and facial animation. Physical props can be added to enhance the believability of the character's appearance within an environment. Sgt Blackwell appears as a projection on a semi-transparent screen, which produces the semblance of a holographic depiction in three-dimensional space.
Who are you?
Sgt. John Blackwell, Charlie Company, 123rd Infantry. That's the 3rd Brigade Combat Team of the 2nd ID. Stryker Brigade. Hello?
What time is it?
I'm sorry, sir, but my internal clock is set to Pacific Standard Time, sir.
What time is it?
Do I look like a clock to you, sir?
What time is it?
I'm a virtual human, not a timepiece, sir.
What time is it?
I think I'm repeating myself. I'm sorry, sir, but my internal clock is set to Pacific Standard Time, sir. You should ask me instead about my technology.
Tell me about your technology.
Technologically, I'm made up of natural language dialogue and understanding. It's how we're talking right now. And my expressions, my face is done with a state-of-the-art facial animation research. And basically this presentation is made with a trans-screen projection. And of course, there's the AI inside.
Tell me about natural language research.
Natural language research allows me to understand what you just said to me and answer your question. I use speech recognition technology to recognize the words you are saying, and then a statistical classifier to figure out what the question is most likely about. Then I respond with an appropriate answer, like I just did.
Tell me about facial animation research.
So you want to know how I'm talking to you right now? Well, read my lips. No, seriously, read them. Facial animation research is all about making sure that my lifelike face is executing the correct facial expression when I talk. It's about analyzing the words that I'm saying and calculating how a real human would shape his mouth and face to produce the sounds that make up speech. It's also about figuring out what kind of emotions my face should show at any given point in time. Now, personally, I don't get too emotional, but some of my other virtual brethren, let's just say they can look pretty darn glum sometimes.
Where's the coffee?
Coffee is over there, but don't ask me where over there is. I'm just guesstimating.